Hello friends, there is a general concern in the public nowadays that whether this second wave which is there in India comes to an end and whether there will be a third wave or not. In the last episode we have discussed about the possibility of the third wave. So today we will be discussing about a Delta variant which has recently come in some part of India and which has raised the concerns among the public health fraternity, population and policymakers. So friends, what is this Delta plus variant? So we need to understand that for virus to survive, it has to mutate. If it doesn't mutate, it will not survive in the population. And whenever a virus mutates, there is possibility of increasing transmissibility of the virus. There is a possibility of increasing number of deaths or increasing number of symptoms caused by the virus. Similarly, in India, we have seen for last few days that there has been few cases of Delta plus variant from few parts of our country like Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, which has caused a severe concern. So these cases are Delta plus variant, which is a slight mutation of the Delta virus. As all of you know, the Delta virus currently is causing the maximum fatality in the Indian population. Almost 80 to 90% of the fatality here is caused by now in the second wave is caused by Delta virus. And it originated from India and then it almost spread to 75 countries across the globe. And UK is one of the country which has the maximum impact of this Delta virus. Now this Delta plus virus is originated not from India, it is originated from Europe, and now we are seeing few cases of Delta plus variant. So again we need to be very cautious that whether so that they will not spread in entire country. Now Delta plus variant, like I told about the mutated virus, it is predicted that it will have a higher transmissibility. It will have more, almost twice the number of deaths as by the Delta virus, or it will have the huge morbidity in the population, sickness in the population. So what should we do now? Unlike the last second wave, we need to be very cautious. We have learnt now how to tackle a wave. We need to be very cautious. We should not let this variant spread in the population if we have to control this virus. So again, I urge three things in this through this video. Number one, COVID appropriate behavior. You might be thinking that it is again the same buzzword, COVID appropriate behavior, like washing hands, social distancing, hand washing. But friends, this is the most appropriate, effective way by which we can prevent the spread of COVID-19 Delta plus variant. Second, we need to have our population vaccinated as early as possible. People are also showing concern that whether the current vaccination will be helpful for Delta plus variant. So again, this is a $1 million question, and as the evidence pours in, we will be able to get more idea whether the vaccine, the current vaccine, will work against this Delta plus variant. But as you have seen that this vaccine, which was made for the earlier variants like alpha variants, has been shown effective for this Delta variant as well. So we are expecting that the vaccine will work in the Delta plus variant, and definitely it will be helpful for decreasing the mortality or morbidity caused by the Delta plus variant. So this is the second thing, that we need to get ourselves vaccinated, and we need to remove that hesitancy among us that vaccine is not useful. Vaccine is very effective, and we need to take any vaccine which is there, whether it is Covishield, Covaxin, or the newer vaccine which has been approved by Government of India. The third thing is our diet. We need to have a balanced diet. We need to build immunity in ourselves. We need to take more proteins. We need to take a healthy diet. We don't want to cripple our body by having the diet which is more of fats, more of junk foods. No, we should not eat such diet if we want to keep ourselves healthy. If we keep ourselves healthy, then the COVID will affect our body in a lesser way. Then we need to, besides the dietary, we need to improve our lifestyle. Doing yoga is wonderful. Doing exercise, going out, exercise, using all COVID appropriate behavior is good. So we should engage ourselves in physical activity. So friends, as the lockdown has ended in most of the states and it is gradually ending in some of the states, we have to protect us. It is the government responsibility to protect, or it's a state responsibility, but primarily it is our responsibility to protect our health. If we will not protect our health, how we will take care if we are ill, or if something happens to us, who will take care of our family? So we need to remember this, and for this Delta plus variant, we also has a responsibility besides the government to actually take care of these type of things. So at last, I want to say one thing: we need to adopt COVID appropriate behavior. We need to build our immunity by appropriate diet, healthy behaviors like exercise and yoga, and third, vaccinate ourselves. So if you have any comments or any suggestions, please write in the box below, and we'll be happy to answer your queries and questions. Every day we will come with a new video for a new public health concern or new public health message which the public or the general fraternity wants from us. Thank you.